Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll walk you through everything you need to know about digital receipts on Cash App. Whether you are a buyer or a seller, understanding how to access, send, and manage details receipts can help you keep track of your transactions with ease. When you make a payment using Cash App, a digital receipt is automatically generated and sent to both the sender and recipient. This receipt confirms that the transaction was successful and includes important details like the amount, date, time, and the parties involved. To view your digital receipts, open Cash App and tap on the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen. Here you will see a list of all your recent transactions. Tap on any transaction to see the full details and access the receipt. If you need to share a receipt with someone, whether for your expense tracking or of payment, simply tap the transaction, then tap the share button. You can send the receipt via text, email, or any other messaging app on your phone. For merchants and businesses, sending digital receipts is a great way to provide customers with confirmation of their purchase without paper waste. Cash App makes this process seamless by automatically sending receipts after each payment, but you can also resend receipts anytime from your transaction history. If you ever notice a transaction without a receipt or need help retrieving one, Cash App support is available to assist. Simply visit the help section in the app or on their website and request transaction details. Digital receipts not only help you stay organized but also make it easier to manage your finances, file taxes, or handle returns and refunds. Always keep your Cash App updated to ensure you have access to the latest features and security enhancements related to transaction records. That's a quick guide on using digital receipts in Cash App. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.